Hello guys, today I'll be sharing the recipe of Mango Cheesecake Blondies. I saw a lot of people making mango cheesecake and a lot of people making cheesecake brownies, so the idea originated from there and it turned out really good. Let's move towards the recipe now. The Blondie base is ready. Now let's prepare the mango cheesecake. Cheesecake batter is also ready, so now let's get to baking. We'll add about 2/3 of the Blondie base, followed by all of the cheesecake batter. Now add small dollops of the remaining Blondie mixture on top of the mango cheesecake batter and swirl it using a toothpick or a knife to make it look pretty. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or till the top is golden brown. Let it cool on room temperature before covering it up with a foil and resting in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Carefully remove it from the pan so that it does not break. Now cut this into your desired size pieces. Delicious and creamy mango cheesecake blondies are ready to enjoy. They are literally so yummy, and if you're a mango lover like me, you need to try them. If you liked this recipe, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.